Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sherelle, and in this video we will be exploring the Delta Sky Club Lounge in the Philadelphia International Airport. Now recently the Delta Sky Club Lounge has had a remodel or revamp for the Philadelphia airport, so I wanted to show that for you since we did have an early morning flight and we had plenty of time to get to the lounge while it was not crowded. So this lounge is located in Terminal DE, like the concourse area, so it's easy access, and if you don't know Philadelphia airport, you can walk the entire airport if needed, so you are able to access this Delta Sky Club Lounge. I did access this with my American Express Priority Pass, and I was flying Delta main cabin. Now I will say the lounge added a lot more Philadelphia artwork, which I really did enjoy. I'll show you that shortly, but they had a lot of local art in the lounge. They had more seating space. If you notice, even in the walkway, there was a ton of seating space for you to sit if you wanted to. And they added additional seating spaces throughout the lounge, so you won't have an issue getting seating this time. Now the first thing I always do is grab a cup of tea. If you don't know, I really enjoy tea, and this brand I really did enjoy. I ended up having some peppermint tea. It was about a little bit before 6 a.m. so I did have a cup of tea, and their lounge was not crowded at all. One benefit about this lounge is it does open at 4:30 a.m. and it makes it one of the first lounge open in this airport. Now I will link my previous video of the Delta Sky Club Lounge, but I noticed they added a ton more seating space, more seating configuration, so it won't feel as crowded as it did last time. A lot of artwork on the wall, which I really did enjoy, especially as all the artwork is local to the Philadelphia area, and if you live in this area, you will enjoy all the artwork here. Now I will say the benefit of coming right when they open is a lot of the seating spaces were completely empty. I had most areas for myself, so I really did enjoy that. But look at all this space that was not here last time. Again, I will link my previous review of this lounge, but I really did enjoy this lounge. They had a lot of great food options, especially at 4:30 a.m. So like I said, I did make some tea and I found myself some great seating spaces. Now, would I come here to this lounge again? Absolutely. It's in a great location. I tend to leave out of the Terminal D area, so this lounge is going to be one of the ones I do frequent. Let me know below if you've done the Pats and Gino challenge, the steak challenge here in Philadelphia, as I would love to hear from you. But I did love walking around the lounge to see the additional artwork they added to the walls, and of course they had a picture of Gino's as well. So there are a lot of interesting pieces that they did add to the lounge, so you will have to just take your time and see what pieces are there, and especially the ones that are related to the Philadelphia area. Another area they revamped was the food area, this hot and cold food area, and I really do love how they really remodeled the area, added a ton of seating space. This gives such more of an open energy for this lounge, and I will definitely recommend this, especially since it's in a great central location of the airport. Now, if you enjoy airport lounge reviews, please consider subscribing to our channel. It helps us grow here on YouTube. Like and share this video with a friend who is visiting the Philadelphia airport or even transiting through, as you might likely visit this lounge. We have a lot of travel content coming your way, so do consider subscribing, and also send us a super thanks if you are available. And we hope to see you in our next travel, as we have a ton of travel content coming from Korea.